batteries. Pulls 5500 milliamp 6S batteries. Boy, it's pretty dark out here.
Rescue start. Rescue end.
Just make sure the up equals the down on the old collective. All right, here we go, boys and girls. Flight number 2 with the new high power KST X20 servos. Actually, now that I have the RPMs back working again, I think I'm going to reduce back down to 17, 18, 2000. I think that actually works better for me. Alrighty, here we go, boys and girls.
Motor on.
I love hearing that governor. This thing looks like such a badass heli. Oh, I need some sun. It's too dark. My hands are too cold. This thing is much more solid than before. Alright, we're going to try inverted real quick here. I love hearing that governor do its thing. Yeah, this one's scary to fly because it's so expensive. But damn, does it fly good. Actually, I don't know if it flies as well as some of my others. I need to really come back and fly it a few times, really get into some of my more challenging tricks that I do. I'm not very good at this, but I have some tricks I do. See if it holds or tracks as well as my Oxy 4, for example. And I've been flying an Oxy 4 Max as well, but I wasn't liking the way that it worked. When flying funnels, it was like hard to control the mixture between the cyclic and the tail. And I realized it was probably something to do with the size of the tail blades, because I really had the gain cranked up high. The whole reason I went to the smaller blades on that Oxy 4 Max was because it was chattering. I was like, oh, well maybe the blades are too big. But what I found out was they weren't large enough to hold the tail when running certain kinds of things like funnels. Rescue. Rescue end. Okay, good. So far, so good. So now I've got my Oxy 4 Max out here today with a little bit larger blades, 72 millimeter blades instead of 68. A little fatter width as well. And I reduced the gain back down to about 50 instead of 78 or whatever it was. And I just flew one battery a minute ago, and it seems like it helped. It tracked a lot better when trying to do funnels. So anyway, I think this Oxy 5 is pretty well dialed in, but I'm not going to try to do any tricks until we get some sun. It's not good enough. My hands are too cold. But yeah, it's flying. I would say this is the best it's flown yet. Five minutes and not any warnings yet about voltage below 3.5. Just flying real easy. I think that said battery 20% if I'm not mistaken. I need to turn my volume up. Alright, now we got down to 3.5 by doing that little trick. But yeah, this thing looks really good. Yeah, so far so good, boys and girls. Wow, 6.5 minutes, not bad. Wow, that was fun. I'm actually thinking of selling this though, believe it or not. My wife and I are buying a house and I need all the money I can get for our down payment. Unless, you know, something unusual happens, like Tesla hits $1,200 this week or something. In which case maybe I'll get to keep this thing. But yeah, likely it's gonna have to find a new owner someday. Motor is not even warm. Speed control, not even warm. Battery, not even warm. Like, I am not taxing this thing at all. But boy, does it fly good. All right, well that's it for now. I need to get home before the sun sets. Just want to look at one last thing before I say goodbye here. Let's see where this battery ended up. Yeah, not bad. 3.77, 3.79. Yeah, that was 6.5 minutes of easy flying. What great.